every trader in the platform, by definition, will be the financial expert of their inner circle. So they will very often have doubled themselves in investing in the traders, and then the word goes round. So it's really a question of a good product. We haven't really actively gone out to market the investments because up to a couple of years ago, we didn't have enough good traders. And even now, Darwinex Zero is born out of the need to create, to groom our next generation of traders. And I think there's a balance in there in the sense that even communities, I mean, I can see a lot of communities starting to kind of talk in their own Discord about how they're doing on Darwinex Zero and so on. I would not be surprised if many of these people actually ended up investing themselves in the best players in the community. And that's actually not been an issue so far. The hard thing is to build the confidence in the first place. That's the regulation, and then posting out the returns publicly. Anybody can see how everybody else is doing. So there's no way to fake the thing, and eventually trust flourishes.
Okay, so has a lot of it been internal capital from your traders?
Well, it's internal capital from the user community. So it's not our internal capital. Remember, like we're basically reinvesting part of the fees we make from the outside investors plus the fees that people are paying in. But it's the inner capital is the confidence or the trust that everybody's got to see, okay, we're all being accountable, we're all posting the returns, and it's survival of the fittest. And the fit is actually quite good. So why not invest in the guy?
Okay, so the other traders on the platform are investing on
everybody can be both sides.
Traders,
that's the other beauty, in my opinion, to this prop model is the money. Well, if somebody was making money, it would be the prop only. There's no option for all the others to follow in the bandwagon.
No, that makes sense. And do you get outside capital as well?
Yeah, no, of course. Yeah. I mean, there are a number of family offices looking at the platform, and there's. In ourselves, I said there's test capital in the platform. There's investors with like 1 to 5 million, and they're looking to scale as and when they see better or like the more they see a flow of good investable traders, the easier it is to get the capital. I mean, honestly, the hard thing is not to get the capital. The hard thing is to get the traders.
Of course, yeah. So that's what the main focus is right now, is to find the traders.
It always has been. Yes. Because even then, and that's another point that not many people appreciate. It's a strategy is not just about the percentage return. It's about the capacity of how much capital you can manage. And many strategies, particularly the ones that trade short term, they may achieve a very substantial percentage return, but after $1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million, investor slippage eats into that, and then the performance is gone. So it's not just about getting good traders, it's getting good traders with more capacity, optimizing the capacity and so on.
So having profitable on capital, on size strategies, not just strategies that may work on a lower size. I mean,
every profit is welcome. It's just that the ones, for instance, like swing traders, and we get this a lot in this calibration phase until we know how much to adjust the positions. There's some guys who go, look, I trade like 3 times a month. This is much worse for me. It's like the answer is no, it isn't, because at some point you'll be able to take on 200 million and the others will be stuck with 2. So again, it's the pro mindset.